Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Hearn. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2018 Scout 355 LXF. Starting back here with the power, we got triple Mercury 300 Verados, also with the joystick piloting. Scout white with the matching shark gray accents. Moving forward, you can notice on the hull we also have shark gray with the Scout white accent stripe going down the hull. As we climb aboard, you enter to that tuna door there. Great option if you're going to be fishing offshore. You also have access back here, for when you're back at the dock, you can walk through from the transom of the boat. Very large live well in the back of the boat here as well, right in front of this aft seat. Fish boxes on both sides here, as well as access to the finished build. That's one of the things that are awesome about Scout. Everything on the boat is going to be finished fiberglass. It's one of those things that gives it its nice quality and those final finishing touches. Moving forward, aft facing seat. Underneath of that is the Seakeeper 3 stabilizer system there. Awesome option for this boat. Really helps with, stabilizes the roll of the boat. And that stores nice and easily under this aft facing seat. Great spot if you're watching rods you have out in the water when you're trolling out offshore. Continuing forward, move up to the helm station here. When you're back here with the helm, very enclosed for the captain. Really keeps the elements away from you. You got the tempered glass all the way around, as well as the skylight up in the ceiling. These are open because you have that extended hard cover back there that covers almost the entire cockpit. At the helm station here, we do have flip-up bolsters, all of them. All three work come independently of each other. These are also heated seats. Awesome option if you're fishing up here in the Northeast on those colder days, you get that nice heated seat. You also have air conditioning for the summer in the cockpit here, which is another great feature. Here's the joystick piloting that I mentioned. Really gives you full control of the boat at those slow speeds. It also comes with Skyhook. You can use that. It uses your GPS, keeps you right in that one position. Great if you're doing any kind of wreck fishing, anything like that, or if you're at a marina waiting to go into a slip, you just hit that button and the boat's going to stay right where it's at. Twin Garmin screens here. This one here we got set up with the FLIR camera. Another nice option. Full control, you can spin it all the way around. Really gives you an idea of where you're headed. While you're up there up top too, you'll notice the Garmin radar as well. This boat is also equipped with a bow camera. It's one of the things that Scout does. Gives you a really full view of the front of the boat. You never lose sight of anything that's out in front of you while you're getting up on plane. Continuing forward, notice how everything on here, all the console supports are all integrated. It really gives you ease of access walking around the boat. I'm going to climb down here into underneath the console here. I'm 6'2". I fit in here perfectly. Some of the things I'll point out here, you do have a stainless steel fridge, as well as a table. You can come down here and eat. Also, this is heated and air conditioned down here. If you're out there fishing on those colder days or it's a little hot out, you got little ones. If you're out with the family, it's a great area to bring them, get them out of the elements. This also fills in completely. You got a filler pad right there. You can fill in everything and get those little ones down there to lay down, take a nap or whatever. Continue all the way up to the front of the boat. I'm going to go all the way up to the windlass up here. Through stem windlass, stainless steel anchor. Controls here, foot pedals here, as well as controls at the helm. This table that I'm sitting at, nice area to kind of hang out, relax, enjoy some cocktails, maybe have some dinner. This table also goes down. Hit that button, it's going to go down. We're not going to go all the way. So it goes about halfway. You do have a pad that goes on. You can make this a nice sun pad area, lounging, hanging out, enjoy that sun, and then it goes all the way down. You can, have access up here to be able to walk. You do also have boxes underneath of these seats. Moving back a little bit, one of the best parts about this boat, nice large area. Again, I'm 6'2". I can kind of hang out here, lounge, enjoy the ride, full 360 panoramic views of wherever you're at. Just a great hangout area. And then underneath of this, you also have nice large locker. It does have the ladder here for the transom of the boat. As a quick walkthrough, thank you for taking it with me on this 2018 Scout 355 LXF. Again, my name is Bill Herr from MarineMax in Summers Point, New Jersey. You can reach us at 609-926-0600.